Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Credit Karma account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly secured and you can access all available services. Step 1. Visit the Credit Karma website or open the mobile application. Sign in with your account credentials that you used during registration. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings or profile section, usually found by clicking your name or profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Locate the verification or identity verification option in the settings menu. Click on it to begin the verification process. Step 4. Gather the required documents before starting. You'll need a valid government-issued photo ID and possibly proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Step 5. Upload clear, high-quality images of your identification documents. Ensure that all text is legible and all four corners of the document are visible in the photo. Step 6. Complete the facial recognition or selfie verification if prompted. This security measure helps Credit Karma confirm your identity matches your submitted documents. Step 7. Enter any additional personal information requested, such as your social security number, date of birth, or residential address for verification purposes. Step 8. Submit your application and monitor your email for confirmation. Verification typically completes within a few business days, after which you'll receive full account access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.